Welcome to qnawire.
Let's fill in the blanks for each of the following. For A, the first organic compound to be synthesized in the laboratory rather than being isolated from nature was, the first blank is urea, which was prepared from, the second blank is ammonium cyanate. Statement B. An organic compound whose carbon-carbon bonds are all single bonds is said to be, blank is saturated. For C, the general orientation of the 4 pairs of electrons around the carbon atoms in alkanes is, the blank is tetrahedral. For D, alkanes in which the carbon atoms form a single unbranched chain are said to be straight chain, or we could use normal alkanes. For E, structural isomerism occurs when 2 molecules have the same number of each type of atom but exhibit different arrangements of the bonds, is the blank, the bonds between those atoms. For F, the systematic names of all saturated hydrocarbons have the ending ANE, is the blank, added to the root name that indicates the number of carbon atoms in the molecule. For G, for a branched hydrocarbon, the root name for the hydrocarbon comes from the number of carbon atoms in the longest, is the blank, in the longest continuous chain in the molecule. For H, the position of substituents along the hydrocarbon framework of a molecule are indicated by the number, the blank is number, so indicated, sorry, indicated by the number of the carbon atoms to which the substituents are attached. For I, the major use of alkanes has been in combustion, is the blank. So the major use of alkanes has been in combustion reactions as a source of heat and light. For J, with very reactive agents such as the halogen elements, alkanes undergo substitution, reactions whereby a new atom replaces one or more hydrogen atoms of the alkane. For K, alkenes and alkynes are characterized by their ability to undergo rapid, complete addition. For K is the blank. So rapid, complete addition reactions by which other atoms attach themselves to the carbon atoms of the double or triple bond. L, unsaturated fats may be converted to saturated fats by the process of hydrogenation, M, we'll read, benzene is the parent member of the group of hydrocarbons called aromatic hydrocarbons. N, an atom or group of atoms that imparts new characteristic properties to an organic molecule is called a functional group. O. A blank is primary alcohol. A primary alcohol is one in which there is only one hydrocarbon group attached to the carbon atom holding the hydroxyl group. For P, the simplest alcohol, methanol, is prepared industrially by the hydrogenation of carbon monoxide. Q, ethanol is commonly prepared by the fermentation is the blank of certain sugars by yeast. R, both aldehydes and ketones contain the carbonyl group, but they're different in where this group occurs along the hydrocarbon chain. S, aldehydes and ketones can be prepared by oxidation is the blank. Aldehydes and ketones can be prepared by oxidation of the corresponding alcohol. T, organic acids which contain the carboxyl group are typically weak acids. U, the typically sweet-smelling compounds called esters is the first blank, result from the condensation reaction of an organic acid with an alcohol is the second blank.